This video is all about our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo words, sing and sang. So we are going to differentiate and identify how and when is sing and sang used in a sentence. Let us start off with the word or the Ilonggo word sang. The word sang can either mean one of the three. The first one is sang is usually followed by a noun, a collective noun, a pronoun, a verb, and a compound predicate. Aside from that, sang is also used in the beginning of a sentence. Moreover, it may either mean by or when in English. So that's for the Ilonggo or the Hiligaynon word sang. Let us start off with the first one. We mentioned earlier that sang is usually followed by a noun, a collective noun, a pronoun, a verb, and a compound predicate. So let us have these two sample sentences. The first one is 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang pari. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang pari. So that means this is owned by the priest. When we say pari, that's a priest. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang pari. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence is pagkabutang ini sang tanan nga pumuluyo. Pagkabutang ini sang tanan nga pumuluyo. That means this is owned by the whole residents, by all of the residents. Pagkabutang ini sang tanan nga pumuluyo. So pumuluyo are residents. When we say tanan is everyone or all. Tanan nga pumuluyo. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang pari and pagkabutang ini sang tanan nga pumuluyo. Sang is also used in the beginning of a sentence. So let us have the sample sentences. Sang panahon sang Kastila. Yan. So sang panahon sang Kastila during the Spanish time, ... Sang panahon sang Kastila, malinong pa ang aton lugar. So during the time of the Spaniards, our place or this place is still peaceful. Malinong, peaceful. Sang panahon sang Kastila. The next one is sang namulak ang tanglad. When we say tanglad, that's a lemongrass. And when we say namulak, that's bloom. Sang namulak ang tanglad. Sang panahon sang Kastila and sang namulak ang tanglad. The next one is sang would either mean by or when in English. Let us have these two sample sentences. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang panguluhan. When we say panguluhan, that refers to the government, panguluhan, and ini is this in English. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang panguluhan. So that means this is owned by the government. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang panguluhan. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence is sang pag-abot ko, nakalakat na si Pedro. Sang pag-abot ko, nakalakat na si Pedro. That means when I arrived, Pedro already left. Sang pag-abot ko, naglakat na si Pedro. Pag-abot, that means the root word is abot, that means arrive. And then lakat is to leave. Abot and lakat. Sang pag-abot ko, nakalakat na si Pedro. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 sang panguluhan. Sang pag-abot ko, nakalakat na si Pedro. Let us now proceed to the Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word sing. Let us now have the Ilonggo or the Hiligaynon word sing. Sing is usually followed by an adjective or an adverb. This is also used when it follows a numeral. So that is how the Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word sing is used in a sentence. Let us have the following examples. The first one here, as what we have mentioned, is that sing is usually followed by an adjective or an adverb. The first one here is nag-ulan sing mabaskog. It rained hard. Nag-ulan sing mabaskog. That means it rained hard. Ulan is rain. Same also in Tagalog. Ulan also refers to rain. Nag-ulan sing mabaskog. When we say mabaskog, that means strong or hard. Nag-ulan sing mabaskog. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence is hugasan mo ina sing maayo. Hugasan mo ina sing maayo. When we say hugas, that means to wash. Maayo is well. Hugasan mo ina, sing maayo. Ina is that. Hugasan mo ina, sing maayo. In English, that means, that translates to, you wash that well. Hugasan mo ina, sing maayo. Nag-ulan, sing mabaskog. And hugasan mo ina, sing maayo. The next use of sing is that when it follows a numeral. Let us have the following sample sentences. Ginhatagan niya ang mga bata sing tagduha ka pesos. Ginhatagan niya ang mga bata sing tagduha ka pisos. When we say hatag, that means to give. And then niya is he or she. And then bata is a kid, also similar sa Tagalog. And then duha, that's 2. And then duha ka pisos is like 2 pesos each. Ginhatagan niya ang mga bata sang tagduha ka pisos, that means he or she, because niya is gender neutral, he or she gave the kids 2 pesos each. Ginhatagan niya ang mga bata sing tagduha ka pisos. Another sample sentence is tawga sila sing isa-isa. Tawga sila sing isa-isa, that means call them one by one or one at a time. Tawga sila sing isa-isa. Ginhatagan niya ang mga bata sing tagduha ka pisos. Tawga sila sing isa-isa. Once again, sang is usually followed by a noun, collective noun, pronoun, verb, or a compound predicate. Aside from that, it is also used in the beginning of a sentence and may either mean by or when in English. While the Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word sing is usually followed by an adjective or an adverb, and it is also used when it follows a numeral. And that's all for this video, which is all about our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo words sing and sang. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.